Hello there. In our series of Magical Monday, we have been covering the aspects of anger. Anger management is a very challenging issue and has various aspects to it. We will be addressing them for a couple of Mondays. Another aspect that causes anger is expectation. You are epic in their endeavor to transform you, exposes you to another trigger of anger through its channel, Magical Monday. Expectation is never a means to an end. A son is expected to behave like this. A daughter in law is expected to dress like this. A father expects his son to be some way, and vice versa. I expected my father to leave me property. Hello, this is Dr. Urvashi Yashroy giving you a soft nudge that expectations only lead to disappointments, frustrations, and irritability. All three ingredients of an explosive anger. Change your thought with your transformational coach, and together we can conquer this menace called anger. The society has predetermined our roles in such a way that if we don't behave in that way, the other gets angry. When all God's beings are meant to be different, with different potentials and different outlooks, how can we follow a predetermined path which was made by someone with their perspective, their ideas, and their circumstances? When none of us belong to some same mold, physically, then how do we fit in an expected mold designed by somebody for somebody? Hello, my dear evolved human beings. I am here to only help you sail through this storm, where you just have to adjust your sail. Acceptance is the key. Accept your circumstances as they are. Do not try to fit others in a mold designed 100 years back for someone. You will be less angry if you are your own best version and accept it. Do not compete with others. They are doing what seems best to them, whereas you are at your own very best. Try bettering your best, but do not copy others. Shift your anger from competition to complementarity. Anger is a sign of frustration held inside. Let go. Any implosive or explosive anger is bad for self and causes distasteful reactions. Do not hold on to the past. Any past experience leading into present or future will leave its footprints. Take the lesson learned and leave the bad experience to past. Accept, accept, and accept. When our own born child doesn't follow exactly what we designed for him, how will others? We are all an outcome of our circumstances, and we have our own perspectives. Acceptance is the key to satisfied you without a trace of anger and resentment. Anger and intolerance are the enemies of correct understanding. In times of anger, always keep busy. Plow your anger into something positive. Anger is a sign that I need to change something in me, as I am not in control of my situation. For a one-to-one session on anger management, contact Urvashi Yashroy on YouAreEpic11 at our Insta handle, or DM me on 9422114055. Tame your anger as you would tame your pet and change this ferocious animal into a lovable being. Remember, the one who angers you controls you.